This module shows how to open the bypass to restore system use. Symptoms include hard water, orange or red service water, or higher than normal water pressure, especially after service work. This is the Fleck 7000. This uses a plastic bypass identified by these red clips. In order to remove the unit from bypass, you will open up the inlet service side by rotating it, opening it fully. You then will move over to the outlet side of it, opening it slowly to allow the unit to build up pressure. If it is difficult to move either one of these, you can put a screwdriver or other leverage device through the side and allow it to help you to open it. Again, moving slowly to that service position. Once the two tabs are aligned horizontally, the unit is now in service.